Assalamualaikum. My name is Sabah Wahid and I'll be presenting on the topic of ICRC. ICRC, that stands for International Committee of the Red Cross. The International Committee of the Red Cross is a humanitarian institution based in Geneva, Switzerland, and a three-time Nobel Prize laureate. The ICRC is the part of International Red Cross and Red Crescent movement, along with the International Federation of Red Cross and the Red Crescent Societies and 192 national societies. It is the oldest and most honored organization within the movement and one of the most widely recognized organizations in the world, having won three Nobel Prizes in 1917, 1944, and 1963. Next is the foundation of ICRC, which has a whole story behind its foundation. Its foundation includes that up till the middle of the 19th century, there were no organized and well established army nursing system for casualties, and there were no safe and protected institutions to accommodate and treat those who were wounded on the battlefield. Then in June 1859, the Swiss businessman named Henry Durand traveled to Italy to meet the French Emperor Napoleon III with the intention of discussing difficulties in conducting business in Algeria. At that time, Algeria was occupied by France. When he arrived in the small Italian town of Solferino on the evening of 24th June 1859, he witnessed the aftermath of the Battle of Solferino, an engagement in the Second Italian War of Independence. In a single day, about 40,000 soldiers on both sides died or were left wounded on the field. Henry Durand was shocked by the terrible aftermath of the battle, the suffering of the wounded soldiers, and the near total lack of medical attendance and the basic care. He completely abandoned the original intent of his trip after seeing this situation. For several days, he devoted himself to helping with the treatment and care for the wounded. Then he succeeded in organizing an overwhelming level of relief assistance by motivating the local population to aid without discrimination. Now, back in his home in Geneva, he decided to write a book titled A Memory of Solferino, which he published with his own money in 1862. And he sent copies of the book to the leading political and military figures throughout the Europe. In addition to penning a vivid description of his experiences in Solferino, he explicitly advocated the formation of National Voluntary Relief Organization that was made with the intent to help nurse wounded soldiers in case of war. In addition, he called for the development of international treaties to guarantee the neutrality and protection of those wounded on a battlefield, as well as medics and field hospitals. Then, on February 1863 in Geneva, Henry Durand founded the Committee of the Five, together with four other leading figures from well-known Geneva families, as an investigatory commission of the Geneva Society for Public Welfare. Now, aim of founding the ICRC includes that to examine the feasibility of Durand's idea, that was to help the wounded soldiers, and to organize an international conference about their possible implementation. Now, 8 days later, after the foundation of this society, five men decided to rename the committee to the International Committee for Relief to the Wounded. And in October 26 to 29 in 1863, the international conference organized by the committee was held in Geneva to help develop possible measures to improve medical services on the battlefield. The conference was attended by 36 individuals, 18 official delegates from national governments, 6 delegates from other non-governmental organizations, 7 non-official foreign delegates, and 5 members of the international committee, which as a whole form 36 members. Now, written proposal was among the proposals written in the final resolutions of the conference, which was adopted on 29th October 1863, includes that the foundation of national relief societies for wounded soldiers. It also written proposal also included that neutrality and protection for the wounded soldiers, the utilization of volunteer forces for relief assistance on the battlefield, the organization of additional conferences to enact these concepts in legally binding international treaties, and the introduction of a common distinctive protection symbol for medical personnel in the field, namely a white armlet bearing a red cross. This is basically the logo of ICRC, which you can see that it has a red color cross with white background and black writing that reads as Committee International Geneva. Now, ICRC Pakistan. The ICRC was present at the birth of Pakistan in 1947 when it was requested by both the India and Pakistani government to respond to the humanitarian consequences of the partition. Today, as a 150-year-old global humanitarian organization with activities all over the world, the ICRC is still working in Pakistan with the same strong commitment, and it has had for 65 years to provide support for the country's people, authorities, and the Pakistan Red Crescent Society also in the event of armed violence or when it is needed in case of natural disasters. The ICRC has several objectives, which includes that ICRC has enhanced its support for 17 physical rehabilitation centers in the north and west of the country. And to ensure long term sustainability of services, it is handing over its physical rehabilitation centers in Muzaffarabad as an autonomous body to the government of Azad Jammu and Kashmir. The ICRC also continues to help people who have been separated by violence, migration, or natural disaster to maintain or restore the contact. It also helps people declare detained. It also helps people detained abroad to exchange regular news with their families inside Pakistan. Basically, it helps the people to exchange news within Pakistan. ICRC also regularly discusses and promotes international humanitarian law and humanitarian principles with civilian and military authorities and with representatives of the civil society. It also helps to provide support for Pakistan Red Crescent Society, emergency and disaster management services. The society's public communication activities and efforts to help separated family members stay in touch with one another. जो लोग एक दूसरे से दूर हो जाते हैं फैमिली मेम्बर्स, उनका आपस में कनेक्शन मेंटेन करने के लिए भी ये हेल्प करती है. The ICRC has contributed to Pakistan's economy by purchasing goods worth 13.5 billion Pakistani rupees and 123 million US dollars on the local market for its various humanitarian activities in Pakistan and around the world in 2009.